Somebody say scavenger? No trip to the Serengeti is complete without running into the meanest beast of them all, the spotted hyena. The gangster of the Serengeti is everywhere. "9,000 hyenas weighing up to 165 pounds each carouse the Serengeti, sometimes at speeds of 35 miles an hour. This is one mean machine. And he'd hardly win a beauty contest with a sloped back, very short hind legs, and disproportionately long front legs. There are 3 other types of hyenas, but the spotted variety is the only one that lives in large clans of up to 80 members. There are more spotted hyenas in the Serengeti than any other large African carnivore. They far outnumber even lions. Despite the hyena's odd design, he's an endurance runner at slower speeds. But his preference is to rest during the day. Just about any place will do. Thick bush, tall grasses, holes dug by others, or self-dug dens. Hyenas are gluttons. They eat quickly and as much as possible, consuming up to 1/3 their own weight at a single meal. Lions can eat the equivalent of only 1/4 their own weight. "20 hyenas, all scratching, clawing, and tripping over each other, can polish off a young wildebeest in about 13 minutes. And a pack of hungry hyenas can devour a 900-pound zebra in less than 25 minutes, bones and all. Even if the male makes the kill, as soon as a few females arrive, males are driven off. It's not until the females and their offspring have eaten their fill that the males stand a chance of gnawing on some leftovers. A hyena can wreak havoc on a lion's life, but there's always payback time. Lions take over hyena kills. They walk right into a clan of feeding hyenas and take the carcass right out from under them. And lions will chase and kill hyenas for no reason. African wild dogs detest spotted hyenas almost as much as lions do. If they catch one alone, especially near their dens or their kills, they'll harass it to the point of drawing blood. Hyenas have clearly gotten a bad rap. They're not the only ones capable of ruthless gangster behavior. But when it comes time for them to eat, spotted hyenas have one of the most vicious ways of killing prey on the Serengeti. The spotted hyena is the notorious Serengeti savage. Its weapon? Jaws of steel. Spotted hyenas have the most powerful jaws, relative to size, in the entire animal kingdom. Once it's got a hold on the victim, a hyena can support its own weight by jaw strength alone, impervious to the prey's desperate leaps and spins to throw it off. It's next to impossible to escape the jaws of steel. With their vice-like jaws and sledgehammer teeth, hyenas crush even the biggest bones like twigs. They eat the bones, skin, horns, and teeth of their prey. Over time, nearly every feature of a predator's body and prey's has adapted to serve one purpose: survival. The cheetah is the fastest land mammal in the world. The lion, the best stealth fighter. No beast comes close to the leopard's tree-climbing dexterity. And with its jaws of steel, there's no escaping a hyena once it's taken a bite. Still, there's always a threat to a predator's superiority. All cats use some degree of stealth and camouflage to hunt. Teamwork is not just the lion's way. Leopards aren't the only ones who can climb trees. And spotted hyenas aren't alone when it comes to scavenging. Every day is a high-stakes food fight. To win, each beast is equipped with a finely tuned edge, sharpened by the never-ending competition for survival in the Serengeti.